Should I feed it gum?
Why would you feed it gum? That's gonna kill it.
Yeah.
I said gum, not cum.
Can I kick it?
Gum.
Maybe
That's
both.
gonna kill it.
Hey, yo, bro, what you doing with this bird, bro?
No.
Leave it alone.
This is a baby.
Watch out, watch out.
Run away.
Don't get too close to
Hey,
it.
yo, bro, what if I kick this bird right now, bro?
No.
You won't.
That would be the wrong thing
No!
to
No!
What if I?
do. That would be the wrong thing
No,
to
you
do.
won't. Huh? You won't. You won't do that shit?
No!
Yo.
Wait, don't!
Yo.
Yo,
You got this all on camera. You're exposed.
he hates it, bro.
You don't like that.
Ain't no more abuse.
It's a live bird.
Okay,
You
man.
just can't touch it. It's
It's dead, bro.
Wait, soccer? Should we play soccer?
Oh, yeah.
Just go to the goal. Leave it alone. It's time for your end.
Stop!
Hey, I shall nigga, come over here. Pick up the bird, I shall nigga.
Leave! No! Stop pushing him away from that! Guys, stop pushing him!
Can we just leave the bird the fuck alone?
I know! Hey, he's gonna fall! He's gonna fall!
No touching the bird.
We need to take the bird off.
Wait, can I wait?
Gum, somebody feed it gum.
Don't worry, I'll block your face. I'll block your face.
Feed it gum.
We need to pick him up. We gotta take him back to the tree. Cheers.
Sick ass. I got rating shot. You look like the protagonist. Bro, you look like a protagonist for a bug. Yeah, but do you have bird flu shots? Yes.
Yeah.
There is no shot.
Does anyone have like
Is not able to get. So I hope you don't mind. Burglars are.
This is a bird. He's just sitting there.
Bird was that? Bird, 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 bird.
Oh, we need to take him off.
Sick ass bird.
Oh, he's trying to get on your head.
Someone go.
Go.
Come on, bird.
Hey,
Oh, don't drop it, don't drop it. Oh, don't drop it.
Oh, you're looking at me now.
He's about to bug. Dog, I was scared he was gonna shit on me.
Milo, no.
No, we are not putting the
Dog, we did not put the bird in front of like 50 students and think the bird is gonna live.
Someone fall. The bird. Okay, shit, that motherfucker.
You won't do that. I won't. You won't do that.
Be careful, there's a bird like right next to you. It's on your shin.
Should I eat it?
Here, neither does he. Hey, put it down.
Put it down.
Put it down. Put it down. Animal abuse, bro.
Put it the fuck down right now.
His nest isn't there. Where the fuck did it fall from? Eat it. The tree?
Everyone got hand sanitizer? No. Alright, so you got hand sanitizer?
I got hand sanitizer.
Can
I
I
got
have
hand
some?
sanitizer. Let me get it out.
Get him on the sidewalk. Get him on the sidewalk. No, on the sidewalk.
I'm about to fucking win this.
He wants to walk around. Hey, put him in.
Y'all spike him.
He wants to walk around.
He wants to walk around.
No, it's a fucking baby. It cannot fly yet. Yes, it can.
You guys are dumbasses. You all guys are right now. Get your head on. Your big ass forehead.
Put it down. It's a baby.
You got here. I know.
One side, one to set cold.
Yo!
Look at the little one. Oh. Oh my God, it's sleeping. Bird's sleeping.
It's a lot. Stop. Put it on the bus. We get sick. We don't go around the whole ass school. Plus, no. The whole reason she's touching it is because she has that bird.
Boys.
Get his ass clear in. Get his ass clear in.
Put the bird on it. Put the bird on it.
Get his ass.
Fuck out of here.
He doesn't like you.
He loves you.
Put it in the tree. Boys, walk away.
Doug, we can't put it in the tree. It'll just fall back out and die.
Yeah, just put it on the ground once everyone else is gone.
Throw it. It needs to fly. Throw it in the air.
It's a lame ass song.
Walk away from it.
Hey, throw it in the air.
Miss, it'll fly. Just tell her to throw it in the air, miss. Miss, just tell her to throw it in the
Oh, I just got everyone's faces.
Yo, what the hell was that?
There's no agriculture. It's like in the yeah, I can take it. I know where agriculture is.
Yeah.
What the bird now?
Eat it.
Are you gonna take the bird?
Move away. Yes, but she's trying to kill it, bro. No, she's not.
You can put it down where you can watch it. Put it down. Because if it's sick, it's going to get you sick. You don't know that. Put it down.
Milo, I would keep it by you though, so they don't step
Yeah,
on it.
so you can set
Like,
it
you
down
can
like
put it
right
right there.
here. You can put it where you can watch it, but you need to not, because if it's injured, you can make it worse, and if it's sick, it can get you sick.
We can just put it on. We're recommending it. I'll take it to the agriculture club.
I don't know if Coach wants to put it, but set it down. Well, but the fact that it's not fighting or something, it's probably also.
Hey, you got scissors? Hey, you got scissors?
It's still alive. The problem is, I'm not gonna lie, it's probably going to die. But you holding it is just increasing your risk of getting sick, and it could be making it worse. Because now that people have touched it, if it's a baby, its mama's not gonna come back for it. So just let it chill there for a minute. Oh, there. Okay, let it. It's trying to move. Let it move around. Maybe it's starting to feel better. Just leave it be.
Yeah, miss.
Bye.